Malaki din yung sa akin.
New branding. Hydrated.
Nakapang stand yung Cherry, andun sa bag. See you guys tomorrow sa Wish Stop Over. Sana magkita-kita tayo dyan.
Novaliches.
SM Novalich.
Yes. SM Novaliches.
Ako na Mars, sobrang lamig.
Hindi.
I didn't even know it's
Sakto lang.
possible to go to 16 degrees on the big ones. I thought it's 18, 16. Really? Mine only goes to 18. Why is that?
Huh?
Oh.
Lahat ng aircon.
Baka matanda
No.
na.
Hindi, bago.
Baka depende sa brand.
Yung ano,
I hope you like the chocolate. Thank you. We do.
Baka
Kinain namin
iba
sa
yung
loob
lamig
ng
naman.
sinihan. Yun yung snack namin habang nanonood ng The Loved One.
ano? Oh yes, the
Thank you sa nagbigay ng
Fur
chocolate.
and the Kit Kat.
Thank you, Kuya Chris.
Binuksan namin bago magsimula ng movie.
Nakain namin. Sakto.
What?
What?
Sorry.
Hi. Dahil papansinin ka na namin, pumunta ka na bukas sa SM Novaliches.
When?
Hi, Joanna.
6
2 years.
p.m. onwards yan, guys.
2 years as bullet, sana mapansin.
Hi, Samantha.
Hi, Samantha.
Hi.
Happy 2 years to you.
Thank you for the gifts. We will use that for our...
Hello mga
Next album.
ates. Hello mga bunso. Hello mga naka-naka.
Pakita ka naman, Beth.
Ay, bigla. Pakita niyo yung mama
Huwag
niyo.
naman yung tiniktok mo, Beth.
I was just touching birth videos. And now you're gonna do a birth video.
Will I marry you all? But will we marry you?
Grabe naman, 3 wives.
Grabe yan.
Huwag na! Serious?
Mahal ko kayo. Mahal din namin ikaw.
Pero ang tanong, mahal ko o mahal ako? Cherry.
Mahal ko ang mahal ang... Hi po, watching from Taiwan.
Lamig. Hello.
Ni hi.
Ni hao, fine shit. Ay,
What?
Basta buhay-buhay.
you're so fine kasi.
Hi, kailan concert nyo? Nabalitaan ko po kay KZ. Ay, soon to be announced. Talaga naman, Ate KZ. Talaga namang siya ang official announcement ng aming concert. Pero it's okay. We love Ate KZ. Siya talaga ang
Yes.
reason why we're here. Wow.
Thank you.
May hat na rin kayo.
Ay,
Wala na.
wala na.
Ay, wala na.
Hello.
Hi.
Pink Pony Club.
I'm gonna keep on dancing at the Pink Pony Club. I'm gonna keep on dancing down in West Hollywood.
I'm gonna keep on dancing at the
Punta po kayo SM Caloocan. Ay, guys,
Yeah.
we might be coming to your cities.
Yes.
So, abangan niyo yan. Starting
Maybe this March.
Did you see though what I said? RGC?
No.
Check mo. Yung screenshot. Tapos yung caption ko.
Saan?
Just go until there's a photo.
Oh, I didn't see this.
Ah.
Oh. Oh.
Oo.
Isn't that not,
May ganap naman tayo normally pag ano yun. Ang kinuha lang natin last.
isn't that not a, it's not a,
Well,
Hindi naman.
here naman sa Palawan, AJ. Oh, malay nyo guys.
Pero marami kasi.
Pero okay lang sa'yo doon.
Kasi yung sobra.
Hi girl, sana ma-secure na VIP tickets sa concert.
what's going on outside?
Bago kayo mag-secure ng VIP ticket sa concert, sana magkita-kita tayo bukas sa Wish
Fast.
Stopover namin.
Wish
Nagaganapin yan sa SM Novaliches ng 6
Yes,
p.m.
6
onwards.
p.m.
Because this is the calm before the storm.
And we're performing a lot of songs, guys. Hindi lang isa or dalawa. We're
Yeah.
performing quite a few. So if you want to preview, oh, it rhymes.
A, 1, 2, 3, ABC.
We're performing a few. So if
Hi, Ate Trisha!
Mag-live lang.
We have to
Yes,
Tama.
guys. Nako, may bago na naman.
Ay, bakit ba tayo na sa Zero Studio? Hi, Anika!
Say hi.
Say hi.
We're here.
Say hello. Hello, hello.
Oh my God! Hi, Alex! Yes!
Sorry,
The beautiful team A-team.
The beautiful team 18. Ito naman.
See you later. See you later.
Ay, bakit kaya tayo
is it
mag-see you
coach?
later?
Is it? And
Yeah.
perfect. I love Duro.
Congrats, Ian!
I felt at least.
Just finished my poem contest. Congrats.
I feel so like it's so yeah. I feel so pressured also. I want to cry. I'm doing deep breaths.
Thank you sa bibingka.
Simbang gabi na naman. Habang tayo.
Doon ako bukas sa SM na Malichas. We'll see you.
Guys.
Current LSS. On it. Sinasayaw ko kanina.
Ed Sheeran.
Si Ed Sheeran.
It sounds like Ed Sheeran. Play more. Play more.
Guys,
Does it sound like Ed Sheeran?
Natulog daw ni Ed Sheeran.
Dude, it sounds like Ed Sheeran.
Yo, listen, party. Balance, panic, bounce. Me, Lava, man, you like Java.
Layo.
It sounds like Ed Sheeran.
Medyo naririnig ko.
Ako nalalayo.
Live.
Hi.
Bababong bong. Hi.
Hello. What
Next.
is this? Oh, there's a chocolate.
Chocolate.
Chocolate hole.
Chocolate. Where's that? Ay, bawal magpakita. Bawal magpakita.
Here, go. Ito.
Hindi, ano tayo? Ano tayo sa
mababa.
TikTok? Based from experience.
Tama.
Yung ano, nakaganon.
Tama.
Naban ako.
What did you do?
Yung pagkain nakaganon makakita. Yung brand. Tapos may
Oh,
straw
really?
din ako.
Anong kinakain?
Kahit kumakain ka, bawal na kayo.
Oh.
Hello, Leo!
Black short hair pa ako.
Leo?
Leo.
Leo!
Leo! Leo!
Birthday ko ngayon. Happy birthday, Nicole. Birthday daw ni Nicole.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Nicole.
Pansinin mo daw si Lechi. Tara yung pangalan mo, Lechi.
Lechika!
Leche fun.
Happy
Chica.
Leche
Hello.
is fun. Leche fun.
Love you, OT3 from Cebu. Oh!
Did anyone agree with me that it sounded like Ed Sheeran?
No? No one? Kahit isa wala.
na.
Sabi naman kayo. I'm hearing things. I'm hearing potential.
Sana may light
Sabi
stick
ni-
na soon.
I'm hearing
Yung tayo sa
potential.
potential eh. Na
Uy!
What is this?
What is the
Watching while on duty.
Oh my
Hi.
god.
Duty yourself. Call of Duty.
Nag-download ako ng Call of Duty.
Duty.
Parang na-miss ko kasi maglaro.
Duty.
Ka mga
duty,
gwapo
duty.
man sina.
Duty.
Amo gidna.
Samok.
Tama.
Kid.
Nako.
Dalawang OA, isang no.
Darating
I know, right?
yun. Ako lang to, guys.
May
Oo
mga
naman
tanong.
ang... Sinong umiyak nung...
Concert nila ko yun.
Wag may nagtatanong.
Sinong umiyak
Nung
dun sa
concert
set ni Ate
KZ?
Huh?
Sinong magmamahal sa
Oh my
akin?
god. And then we had front row view of this.
Yeah.
It was so emotional.
Guys,
I was
magpunta
like-
kayo diri sa SM Novaliches, kag magsing-sing kami, kag magsaot kami sa Bish Bus.
Eto na. Ganun.
Stop over yun, so marami-rami tayong kantang kakantahin dyan. 6 p.m. onwards yan.
Yes,
Kaya
queen.
after work, pwede kayo makahabol.
Yes. Ano kakantahin nyo? Secret.
Secret pero madami.
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 It's a treat. It's a treat.
Yes.
Trick or
Chocolate
treat.
Ay.
Pa-shoutout po yung malakas sana ni Jezzy.
Ano? Hindi ko
Jezzy.
nakita.
Jezzy! Jezzy. Ang pangalan niya Jezzy.
1, 2, 3.
3, go. Jezzy!
I wasn't following along, but I just heard you screaming, so sinala na.
What time po kayo bukas dito sa SM
6
Nova?
p.m.
6 p.m.
6 p.m.
Hello? Hindi ko Ay, hi.
Rosa ng
Love you
jersey
too.
ba yan? Yes.
Sinong bias to Sag 22? Eto.
Kuya Tomer. Uy, bawal pa
Ay, bawal.
Bawal si Kuya Tomer bigla mag-reveal.
Oo.
Watching while having an online class. Ayan na, doble-doble yung atake mo ha.
Wala kami dyan, ah.
Pag kami, hindi ka nakapag-notes, labas na kami dyan ha. Is that Zero Studio? Yes!
Yes! Ang galing.
Yes, it's not 1, but 0.
I'll support you on that one. Because I would make it shows right now.
Mga gwapagid. Damugid ka salamat.
What time bukas? 6 p.m.
Watching from Sydney, Australia. Hoping my tour.
Taray,
Yes.
yes.
Hello, mates. Hope to see you there, mates.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
And now, when we go there, I'm gonna put the Bobby on the Bobby. Ano daw?
Bobby on the Bobby.
Ano?
Oh my god.
Hindi kasi
Kawawa naman si Barbie.
Kawawa naman si Barbie. Nalagay sa barbecue.
Sinunog. What is your favorite
Favorite?
drink at the moment?
Coffee.
Buko juice. Sabi ko sana beach.
Coffee.
Buko juice.
Nice. Ako kasi guys, it's water. Stay hydrated.
Wow! You're
Alam
so...
niyo ba guys,
I'm
kung
so
gaano
healthy.
kahirap painumin tong dalawang
I'm
to,
so
lalo na to dati ng
healthy.
tubig.
Drink water.
Drink your water, B.
We're gonna come to the bar fella. Don't drink water.
You know, I've been drinking water as well.
Ano sa accent ko?
I've been drinking water, and because I need to stay hydrated. I don't know.
Hi sa mga bagong dating po. See you bukas sa
Charlie with
over
Regina.
namin. Nagaganapin ng 6 p.m. sa
Sa
SM
SM Novaliches.
Alright, let's do it like we're like the host. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. You
Yes,
all look
yes,
dashing
yes.
tonight. We are all inviting you to partner.
To watch our Wish Bus Stopover at SM Novaliches. Yes, tamang-tama yan. Makikita namin kayo, mga Pilipino, mga magagandang mga dilag at dalaw.
And to our international audience, you can stay tuned on our
Oh,
social.
hi, Crystal!
Oh my gosh!
Hello po.
Nani? Nani siya
Wrong
no?
timing. Okay, back to normal, guys. Be cool.
Bakit?
Nani siya no? Nani.
What is your favorite G22 song?
Wala. Kasi lahat favorite ko.
Ay!
Except sa dalawa.
No, ako 3.
Ako,
Ay, except sa tatlo, oo nga.
Diba? Ay! Parang ang dami. Ayan
4.
Ano yung 4?
I just like the melody but not the...
Ano?
Ano? Ano yung
Okay. Huh?
Ay,
Same
Gusto ko
tayo.
yung ano.
Ano yung third mo?
Pero ang nag-iisang
okay.
gusto ko yung...
At least we're platonic.
Yung-
Except what I like that
Yun yung
one.
pinaka-favorite
I like
din
that
ng mga
one.
tao eh.
Bakit? Pag favorite nila, dapat favorite ko din. Wow, charot lang.
Atake.
Any guesses, guys?
At saka may sinulat ako dun eh. Hindi, maganda yun.
Bakit gusto ko kayo? Kasi gusto mo kami? Kasi wala kang choice.
Kasi paganda.
Hi, Jad! Atake ka naman. May ano ka naman.
Grabe ka naman, Jad.
Show up na.
Sorry na, Jad. Mali yung spelling.
Hi. Hi.
Anong favorite niyong Filipino candies? Bakit walang
Ano? Yung
Singit ako.
Bakit wala kayong
nibs.
Ano?
Nibs.
Filipino candy?
Yeah, di ba?
Oo, tama.
Nips!
Nib.
Ano ba sabi mo?
Nibs!
Ay, sus. Nips yung narinig ko. Pero tama.
Nips talaga?
Oh, nips.
Oo, nips.
Like,
Oo.
oh.
Don't make it weird.
Nips.
I like that one. I like that one.
Actually, gets.
There's like an Australian version of
Yes.
it. It's called Smarties.
Oo.
Smarties.
So, kinakain yung mga matalino yun.
So hindi mo kinakain yan.
Kung kinakain. Ay!
Ang tagal mag-gets.
Tagal, sister!
So, ngayon, kumakain.
Anong kinakain mo?
Hindi, I'm gonna make another joke.
Oo nga.
Diba?
Sino si Rumi, si Zoe, at si Mira?
Ito,
Hindi po kami
Zoe, Mira. Fave candy in general. I really like the sour belts, like the rainbow. I love
Not a
sour
fan.
candy.
Ano?
The sour belts, like the rainbow. With
Yung
the sugar.
mahaba?
Yeah.
Oo, masarap yun.
Give me
Not a
rainbow
fan.
with the blue raspberry.
Or yaki.
What's yucky?
Yung kinain natin nung ano?
Yung maasim.
The chewing gum.
Oo.
What about you? Ganyan, wala akong sagot.
Kaya,
Dark chocolate. Yun lang. Filipino food, yung hello, alam mo yun?
oo.
Diba? Yung
Oh my
hello.
god, is it the wafer?
Yeah,
Yeah. I
Yun yung
remember that
lagi
during
ako
training
meron
days.
sa ano,
Yeah, I don't know.
sa condo.
Why? Yeah, that's why it's so
Hello
I remember
yun.
like,
Sa-
eating that.
Lagi may dala sila
Would you
papa.
give me?
Oo.
Yeah, because I remember eating
Diba?
that.
Hello.
Yeah. I don't know where or why, but I remember having that.
Oh my gosh, fudgy bar. My gosh.
I don't think.
Fudgy bar na yung,
haven't tried
yung
that.
green.
Ako yung brown.
Green.
Yung
What about the
original.
one that's like square and then there's like a
Lemon
chocolate
square
inside?
Fudgy bar.
Fudgy bar.
No, it's like tiny.
Tiny?
Chappy?
Happy!
Hindi. Yung bilog, tapos
And there's like an
matigas.
ube flavor.
Ano?
Cham-
Ube?
There's also ube.
Ube?
There's chocolate. And
Di ba chocolate lang yun?
no, there's an ube.
Honey. Honey.
Champy, tama.
Yung isa
Champy.
rin honey.
Champy ito.
Yung isa rin honey. Hanee. Yung white tsaka red.
Champy. Candy. Ito. Ayun pala yung spelling niya.
Hindi yan yung honey yung tinutukoy niya.
Ay, di ba to? Ito yung may chocolate sa loob eh.
May chocolate so pero parang
Honey
like
or baka hindi?
biscuit or something.
Honey.
Peanut butter
Ito yung peanut
Ito yung
butter.
honey.
Hindi gusto ko din.
Brittle nut.
I like that. Hindi.
Ayan din.
It's like
Pero ako
crunchy
naman,
and then inside is like the chocolate.
Yun nga yun. Chappy. Chami.
Parang hindi pa siya nakakain ng champion.
Yeah, I've never seen
Di mo
that.
ba nakita yung chappy? Hindi. Makita ko
But I like that honey.
Sarap yun.
Wait lang, parang alam ko yung tinutukoy mo. Lagi mo ito kinukuha. Flat tops.
Oh, I love flat tops. So yeah, that's my favorite. also.
flat
But it's
tops.
not that. What is it?
Hindi,
And the
flat tops
packaging,
walang chocolate sa
the
loob.
packaging is yellow.
Ano sinasabi mo?
Iba ata yan, te.
Pilipino ba yun?
Yes, I'm pretty like 90% sure.
Ano yun?
Guys,
Ayan,
hanapin niyo.
pillars.
Ayan,
Apilos!
Yeah.
Chichirya kasi sa amin yun eh.
Oo nga. Chichirya kasi yun sa amin.
Oo. Chocolate siya, pero parang siya chichirya.
Nasa isip namin yun, nasa
Yung isa,
isa-isa
oo,
namin.
yung gano'n. Yung gano'n.
Favorite ko ng pillows. Her.
Diba? Pillar. And then it's
Yeah.
yeah. right?
Fudgy bar pillows,
Yes,
yeah.
Okay. Ayun pala yun.
Hindi niya alam.
Kung hindi ko lang
Mas
inisip na
local
individual
ako.
wrapping.
Oo nga, ako din
Sorry.
eh. Yun pala yun.
I'm
Ay, masarap
lucky.
yun. Tapos sa stock pa sa ngalang-ngalang.
Oo, tapos masarap yan. Kasi masarap pa rin. Sisim-sisim.
Wow, parang di gawain. Favorite mo, diba?
Yeah. Alright.
Alright, see you guys tomorrow.
Oh yeah, don't
Stop
forget, if
over.
bago kayo dito sa aming live stream, we
Yes.
are gonna be in Novaliches at 6 p.m. bukas.
Para sa Wish Stop Over!
Period.
Maraming kanta yung kakantayin namin, kaya sana magpunta kayo,
Yes.
dumayo kayo, at pumunta kayo after work our school.
Period.
Mga magulang, pinapaalam
Konnichiwa!
namin sa mga anak na manonood sa aming Wish Stop Over. Sila po ay maaasikaso ng aming mga tiyo.
Happy Valentine's!
Happy Valentine's!
Happy Valentine's.
Ay, mag-Valentine's tayo bukas.
Sa November.
Kami nakasama niyo.
Yeah.
So mag-isama niyo na rin yung mga loved ones niyo, crush niyo dahil yun ang time para umamin kayo.
Yeah. We're singing love song.
Yes!
Which one?
Actually, we're not.
Yeah, we are.
Yeah, we are.
Yes.
Period.
May perfect
Tapos one-sided
song
love
doon
pala
na,
yung kinanta namin.
Aroy.
Walang sided love. What did I just say?
Ay, sa wala.
Althea, your order is now available.
Guys, ngayon magdasal-dasal lang kayo sa barricade. Well, barricade.
Nood pa.
Baka
Ano?
ingat ka sa bag, babasa.
Any comments?
Okay.
Akala ko.
Kasi pinabasa niya yung notification.
No.
Mama, wait.
Ay, kanina pa si Jess. Hindi, binabasa ko yung lyrics.
Mom.
Nood pa kayo ng BBB. Is there a new season
Ano?
already?
Yeah. I love,
Oh my gosh, so fast.
Sino to?
Caprice.
Caprice.
You love me.
Of course we do.
I haven't seen
Tsaka si nandun sino nga yun? Sino ba yun?
si Clark na.
Yung taga-CS.
Si Joaquin.
Si Joaquin, si Arcel.
Bait na bata.
Really?
Kaya sobrang bait ni Arcel.
Bait na bata niyan.
So, gabi yung bata.
So weird.
Ilang taon pa lang naman si Arce?
Oo nga, natanda na natin, sister.
Oo nga, dati tayo nandun.
Arce, we shall say.
Ano?
We shall say.
Arce version.
Kinakabahan ako sa mga sinasabi. We shall see! Okay. Woo! Woo!
Why? Does it mean something?
Naked po.
Hindi, medyo kinakabahan lang kasi kami sa mga lumalabas sa bibig mo.
What was the thing I said on the last live stream?
I forgot na rin. But you did.
I said something
Yeah.
that was a Tagalog word.
AJ pa wash out. Hi, Lechi.
Check ko lang yung aking order.
Yeah, bukas na.
Yeah.
Bukas ng mata.
Tubo lang ako.
Hello.
We're gonna go in 5 minutes,
Nag-ano?
guys, because we have a rehearsal.
Ayan.
I'm trying my
Kayak supremacy. Ay, baka baka marinig niyo bukas. Baka lang naman.
ano?
Kayak. Shh.
Ako guys, if you know the drill, you know the drill.
What type of drill?
Kaya, Kaya guys, magpa-Brazilian wax na kayo sa mga kayak
Oh my
enjoyer dyan.
Oh my God, I have her. Look at this. Wait, mamaya.
Pag kayak enjoyer ka, Brazilian wax enjoyer ka din.
Pwede din. Hello!
Sana may until when bukas. Ay, ano ka ba? Broken ka ba?
Ang gito.
Ang cute! Gusto ko din yun.
Woo! Ay, bumababa! Ang galing!
Ito din. Bumababa.
Babak ka ba? Bababa ka ba? Ay pala yan. Bababa ka ba? Hinabol yung kaba.
Tinanong mo sila kung sin ka ba?
Kaba? Bababa ka ba? Bababa ka ba? Bababa ka ba?
We will be ending the live in 4 minutes. So sa lahat
To save
po
the king.
nang nandito pa ngayon, pumunta na kayo bukas sa wish stopover namin sa SM Novaliches at gaganapin ng 6 p.m. Sana magkita-kita tayo
Ay
guys.
taray, nanonood si Migs. Yung kinakanta ko lang, na-manifest ko siya. Manifest man.
Manifest mo na yan. Na. Yes. Cute nung sayo na yun.
Ayan, magsayaw si Althea sa likod. Kayak entry, 100 and 500. 1,500.
Palaban, papapapapapapala.
Oo, ano yung kaya ko?
Ikaw wala ka pang kaya
Meron!
entry.
Oh, hindi ka nakikita.
Hindi ka nanonood.
Yeah. Buti na lang, like, kasi we did madaming entries and then nabubulol ako sa... Wala ka nun!
Girl, kaya mo yan.
Pinatawanan ako ni Alfie. Pero, okay, because like, there was so much noise in the office, so we had to like film it quickly. So like, I didn't want to do too many, so I was like,
Okay.
Okay na.
Guys, pag may...
Ano?
Sa mga nagtatanong dyan kung paano pumunta sa SM Novaliches, papunta sa venue namin tomorrow, hanap lang kayo ng bus or UV Express na pa SM Fairview or SM
galing na may
Novaliches.
bus niya.
Meron yan sa SM North EDSA Bus Bay. Kung mas malayo, meron yan sa SM Mega Mall. See you there.
Yes, as a commuter queen.
Sana andyan ka daw. Sana, kasi...
Sana. Guys, sana nandun ako bukas.
Magiging dulo.
Sana nandun ako bukas.
Hi! Thank you!
Ay, thank you naman, dad.
Filipino!
Bihira ko lang makuha yan.
Right.
Charot.
Ako yung Filipino kayo, Bebot.
Okay, go.
Bebot, bebot.
Filipino!
bebot. Hindi, be. Mas bagay sa'yo yung Jejemon. Unang araw
Okay,
pa
I'll do the
lang.
kike.
Tapos ako bebot, tapos siya kike.
Okay, ready?
Saan niya yung ano?
Unang araw.
Bebot, 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 bebot,
Sayaw
bebot,
kikay! Sayaw
Bebot,
kikay!
bebot, bebot, bebot.
Sayaw kikay! Sayaw
Filipino!
kikay!
Filipino! Filipino!
Sa susunod.
Filipino!
Oh, pare. Ano mo ako?
Sayaw kikay! Sayaw kikay! Sayaw kikay! Sayaw kikay! I love the performance. I was making way. Makikita ko yan mamaya sa X.
Alin?
Yung remix namin, for sure.
Pupunta kayo Dubai? What?
What? Dubai, bye!
149. Oh guys, once again,
Na-announce na!
na-announce na siya pala. Once again guys, magkita-kita po tayo sa
Sayaw
Wish
kikay.
Stopover bukas. SM Novaliches yan, 6 p.m. onwards. Kaya hindi kayo maliliit kahit may pasok kayo, kahit may work kayo, please dumaan po kayo dahil mag-celebrate tayo ng Valentine's ng sabay-sabay.
That's right. You've heard it here, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. Our wonderful, wonderful audience. We will be at SM Novaliches.
That's right.
At 6 p.m. for the Wish Stopover. We will We will be singing more than
Yes.
one, more than two,
More than three.
that.
Yes.
So you shall save the date.
And marami pong pasabog this February, so mag-abang-abang tayo.
Lakas makabog.
Boosh!
Lakas makabog.
Dating mo.
Yes.
Because this is your era.
See you in SPCF. See you in SPCF. Sa March yan. Thank you.
All right, we gotta go.
Bye, guys.
Bye, girls, gays, guys.